What happened in SEBI's first board meeting under the new chairman? Why is IndusInd Bank in headlines lately? And is there good news for Ola Electric? Most importantly, should you care? Welcome to Markets Today, your daily no-fluff market update to help you make smarter investing decisions. Let's start with our first story. SEBI, the stock market regulator, had its first board meeting under the new chairman Tuhin Kanta Pandey and made a few big changes. Some of them are: Number 1, foreign investors now have to share ownership details only if they invest more than 50,000 crore rupees, which is up from earlier's 25,000 crore rupees. Number 2, SEBI now allows category second AIFs, which is a type of investment fund, to count listed lower rated debt rated A or below as unlisted, helping them meet investment norms despite new listing rules. Number 3, investment advisors can now charge up to 1 year's fee in advance. Earlier, they could only take 3 months' worth. Now, at the same time, SEBI is setting up a high-level committee to review conflict of interest rules for its own officials to make things more transparent and fair. While these changes make it easier for big investors to operate, SEBI is also making sure the system stays clean and trustworthy. Moving on, our second story is about IndusInd Bank. So on Tuesday, the stock fell about 5% following a penalty of more than 30 crore rupees has been imposed on the bank by Joint Commissioner of CGST and Central Excise for various GST issues. Now the bank will explore filing of appeal against the order. For investors, there's a lot of uncertainty right now, thus making the stock worth watching. Our third story is about Ola Electric, a follow-up on what we covered in one of our previous episodes. So Ola Electric got good news. Ola Electric has amicably settled all outstanding dues between its wholly owned subsidiary, Ola Electric Technologies, and the Rosmerta Group. As a result, the Rosmerta Group has filed the memo for withdrawal of the petitions filed before the National Company Law Tribunal, or NCLT. Now, before we wrap, both Sensex and Nifty closed flat. That's a wrap for this episode of Markets Today. I'm Kanishka Gupta from Invested by FYERS. See you tomorrow with more stories. Until then, stay invested.